we have a couple of airdrops free to go and earn, which we will go and talk as soon as this video starts, as well as a few airdrops to claim and some that are coming declaiming as well. So with that said, we don't waste anyone's time. Make sure to leave a like if you're new, subscribe, and we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is Blockscout over here, the Blockscout, and as we see here, join the new Blockscout Merits program. So I will leave the link down below. It is a free to go and earn, and as the name says, it is simply a blockchain explorer, every transaction explorer, just like what you kind of use. The only thing is that this one, instead of searching for transactions online and not getting rewarded, you will get an airdrop. As you see here, you sign up, you will get 200 points for free from the sign up down below, first link in the description. And as we see here, simply go and see some transaction, check out the transaction, see what's happening. If you do your transaction as well, make sure to go and search it up over here. Look for any wallets that you want, look for your wallet, utilize the dApps, go and check out the tokens. Simply, have a little bit, it's not that you go and use, but like launch the app, interact a little bit here and there, do all these things, and they are free to earn because like you can simply go and see this product, you can go and look at the charts, look at the stats as we see over here of the accounts active, and as we see over here, we got the merits. Now, this is where your page will shine, and soon we will have, there is a referral program if you wish to share it with your friends. Otherwise, make sure to support me as well. We got the activity, which is the earn merits for everyday Blockscout activities. You deserve to be rewarded. It will come very, very soon. We got the verified contract very, very soon. So as of right now, all you gotta do is simply sign up. Simple as Grass token, simple as NotePay. The only thing is that there's nothing to download. Simply sign up, play a little bit around, check a few transactions, do a few clicks, and that is it. The next one is the Dawn initial tokenomics have been released. Dawn is this plugin over here, which kind of like Grass and NotePay. We've seen this super hype with Grass. We've seen the super hype with NotePay, and Dawn is the next one. They got 1 billion total supply. 25% goes to the community, which is going to be huge. So once you go and download this plugin, just like we did with Grass, just like we did with all the others, make sure to download the plugin and then start earning. You can boost the rewards here by connecting your Twitter, connecting your Discord, connecting your Telegram. And once you have joined, make sure to come over here to the boost reward. You will get 100 free points. Make sure to insert my code over here, YGNC7TS4, and make sure to support me. Thank you very much. And then you will see the connection quality. You will get the total earnings as well. It will be showcased you here. We got my total points, 15,000. You get the extra point by also signing up with me. You get the Twitter points, the Discord point, the Telegram point, and so on. So make sure to sign up. Simple as that. Let it connect, just like Grass, just like NotePay, just like all the others. Leave it going, and in the background, it will make you money. Another free airdrop is the OneFootball Club over here. Now, this is super easy. You simply sign up, you follow them on Twitter, you do a few daily check-ins, you do a few, follow them on Discord, follow them on Twitter or Telegram or whatever it is, and you simply go and get the points. Simple as that. The on broadcast as well, the football quiz, and that is it. So simply sign up to the link down below. This one you don't need to download anything, nothing to be done. Simple as simply signing up. And the next one, which it is again super easy, and I'm already collecting points. This is the Kaisar one. Now this one gives you two possibilities. First of all, you can connect and add the peak network to your MetaMask, which is simply by going to your MetaMask wallet over here and add this to your browser, which it is very, very simple, which we do see over here. And I have already done mine as well. And then you got the verified to complete the process to get the verified to withdraw your rewards when the airdrop will come. In the meantime, you can also simply go and sign up, utilize it. As we see over here, we got the daily, the concurrent viewers, we got missions as well on the left side over here by simply joining their Discord, liking and sharing and reposting their tweet, which simply automatically opens you a Twitter page, which you see. Simply click over here, click on repost, click on like, click on anything, and then go and claim it. We have the possibility to claim different ones. We have the possibility to like, share, and retweet this post, which we have done. Just give it the time of day to go and check it out and do all of these points and simply claim it. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, claim your daily transaction. Follow up with your profile. Make sure to be having everything that you need. Also over here, you see the dashboard, the points go up, today's earning, and all of them goodies. Following up, we have the GRVT update. Now, this one is something that the community, which is nice to see. GRVT is listening to the community. They are listening to the feedback, and the community asked for the deposit to be, as we see over here, on the USDT. So we go and check this one out together, which it is this video, which it is basically the community asking for the token, and the community has voted yes. So now you can deposit from your wallet. It is a deposit liquidity. So simply with providing liquidity, you can deposit USDT as well. So stablecoin from your Arbitrum chain from MetaMask, which it is way cheaper than the Ethereum one over here. And then you have the tab with Arbitrum and Ethereum as well, which it is super nice, which then you can deposit and withdraw to your page, which it is this one right here, the GRVT. As we see here, once you have the possibility to deposit from the exchanges or from the connected wallet, and simply click on Ethereum, or simply have the possibility to do with Arbitrum, which of course it is cheaper. And once you deposit, it will go over here. And as we see, I got my trading account balance of $42, which it is right here. And you can then go and provide liquidity as well, which is very, very nice. But we do talk about this all on my Patreon. The link is down below if you wish to. We had the first video yesterday here with all of the different possibility to go and check, as we see, with the different protocols, which there are also on my Patreon. We got videos, we got dedicated videos, we got dedicated platforms, and you know, for the paid Patreon, which is only $4.99 a month, and yes, you will make your money back, I guarantee you with that. We have an Excel paper which allows you to go and do over 120 airdrops, and it is updated daily. So if you wish to join, the link will be down below. But following up on what we talked yesterday, over on Ignite, ZK Ignite has launched the ZK Sync potentially second airdrop, because they are distributing 300 million token across the ecosystem to the community which utilizes their product. Now, I have gone and participated myself, and as we see here from my dashboard, I supply wrapped Ethereum over on Ape. And this gave me on one day, it is not much, it is 27 cents. Kind of like what I was receiving if I was providing liquidity over on Stargate, which we talked about it in yesterday's video, to receive the base or the Stargate reward. Now here I get the ZK reward. Will ZK be or will be having an airdrop? Now, if this is the second airdrop, there's not going to be any other airdrop. But if this is one of those things that, hey, you need to kind of have your foot in the door to be able to participate in this reward, then yes, potentially I'm also positioning myself for the third airdrop, which we do right here. But you have different platforms to go and operate. You can go, as we see here, you have different protocols. You got Ape, which is the one I use. You then have all of these to provide liquidity, decentralized exchange, and many more, which it is really, really nice to go and see. But this choice is yours. I decided to go and interact with it, see how it is, because it could be something interesting that comes out. Next up, we have the airdrop season 2 is coming soon from the Ninja Blaze platform, which Ninja Blaze was a platform which we did say, and if you still utilize it, make sure to go and turn notification bell on. And, you know, let me know if you still utilize it down in the comments below. We also have the treasure, as we see over here. The treasures have gone a giveaway of 420 magic token to 10 participants, which you will be able, I will leave you this Twitter post or their official Twitter down below, so you can go and follow them. And here you will find the official discord.gg/treasuredao to go and check the winners. I participate in all of this. As you see, you're still able to go and mint it, and I do believe we're going to have an airdrop to the community which minted all of this. So I have minted all of this kind of like cartridge game that you have the possibility to go and claim. We got 50,000 people collecting one of them and about 45,000 collecting all of them. You're still in time to go and participate, and I do believe there will be an airdrop for the people that have participated in it, so make sure to go and do it. You still have time. We also have another airdrop, which is this one from Galx, introducing the Galx airdrop, launching with an exclusive release on XRPL featuring up to 400,000 XRP token. If you are eligible, wave one of the XRP airdrop is now live. You can connect it, and if you are eligible, you will see it over here. Now, personally, I'm not eligible for this one, nor I didn't even know what the XRP airdrop criteria could have been. If you have any more information, let me know in the comments below. But personally, this one, I was not aware of anything going on. So it's a little bit like this. But if you did, let me know in the comments below. As well as we have the HAVA Season 3 airdrop over on Streamflow. And as we see over here, once connecting my wallet, you can see if you are eligible or not. We remember HAVA was a meme coin. It is kind of like a meme coin, yes. We see here that it has been airdropped to 2,000 people and only 242. If we reload the page, maybe one more have claimed the airdrop, not even. So yeah, if you are eligible, make sure it's probably gonna be worth like 5 to 10 cents and nothing more. but it is still something as we basically have done nothing for that airdrop. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.